Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to make pani puri. So the ingredients for pani puri, the way we're making it, are as follows. I'll include the cost as well and the quantities. So this is a pack of golgappa, 200 grams. This cost $1.49, and you fry it in oil for 1 to 2 minutes. And this is how it turns out. It turns out like these balls, and it's cost effective just to buy the packet and fry it in some hot oil for 1 to 2 minutes. The next item is the pani puri imli, the pani puri mix, sauce I should say. So this is a large sauce of 1 liter, and it costs $2.49, but it's sometimes £2 or £2.19 for 1 liter. We're also using some mint sauce. We'll only need 1 teaspoon of mint sauce. Now this is not very much. This was it was under £1. I think it was 65p or so. So this wasn't very much. And also we have chili flakes. Now we'll use half to 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and this was also under £1. I think it was somewhere between 70 to 80 pence. So then we have 2 pots of chickpeas which have been boiled for 10 minutes, and the chickpeas, each tin is 59 pence, so 2 tins have been added here. We then have 2 medium to large potatoes, chopped and boiled for also 10 minutes. Then we have 1 onion chopped. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of salt, and then a handful of coriander, which has already been chopped.
Mix koro.
Okay. So first we're going to add the chickpeas, which are already boiled, into the bowl. So that's 2 pots of chickpeas. We're going to add to the bowl. After the chickpeas, we're going to add the two boiled and chopped potatoes. These are pre-boiled already for 10 minutes. So we're going to add these. These are medium to large 2 potatoes. We're going to add that to the mix. And then we have the onions.
Yes, onions.
So it's 1 large onion. We'll add most of it, and okay. We'll add nearly all the onion, so it's 1 onion, and then if we need any more, we can add it later. And then after that,
Coriander.
we're going to add some coriander. So we'll add most of it, but leave a little bit for the sauce.
Yes.
So it's only a handful of coriander, it's not very much. We'll add most of it and leave very little bit for the sauce. Okay? You need very little bit for the sauce. You don't need much for the sauce. So it's only a little bit of coriander.
Then
after that, last but not least, from these ingredients, 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add more if required. So 1 teaspoon of salt.
yes.
Pani puri.
Pani puri sauce.
Then I'll add 1 teaspoon of pani puri, the imli sauce, which is the tamarind sauce. 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
Or if you want to add 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons.
Then
Then the mint sauce, which I'll add 1 teaspoon. Not heaped, 1 teaspoon. And finally the chili flakes.
chili flakes.
which is also 1 teaspoon. That's done.
Then
we just mix it all together
yeah.
with a large spoon.
বড় চামচ দিয়ে mix করো।
Yes, mix it all with a large spoon. I'll just take off the mixture from the small spoons. So we mix all of the mixture together. Taste করি লাও লবণ ওকে মারি লাও মনি তুমি একটা টেস্ট করো
একটু টেস্ট করে দেখি
টেস্ট করো লবণ আর জিও
পারফেক্ট
লবণ গেছে
চুলি পারফেক্ট হয়েছে
সল্ট বেশি গেছে
না
ওই মনি
পারফেক্ট হয়েছে
সল্ট একটু বেশি গেছে এগুলো মারি লাও
দাও
So we're just going to add a little bit of
need some tamarind sauce. Yeah. তা ওই যে একটু সল্ট যদি বেশি হয় তামারিন দিয়ে দিলে খাবার করবে
খাবার হয়ে যায় just mix it all together. Should we add a little bit of chili?
Little bit chili flakes.
A bit more chili?
Yeah, little bit.
We'll just try it one more time.
এগুলো একটু ঝাল হলে ভালো লাগে ঝাল হলে ভালো লাগে very tasty and everything is fine.
So we add a little bit more of the chili flakes.
Chili flakes. Now it's ready. Like a plate ready to be on the.
A quarter of a liter of water mixed with a quarter of a liter of tamarind sauce. So into the mixture, we're going to make it very runny. Into the mixture, we are going to add
chili flakes. Oh, sorry. It's okay.
Some chili flakes, but not too much. Only half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of chili flakes.
It is salt,
A little bit salt.
A little bit salt.
A little bit of salt, only quarter teaspoon. Just a pinch of salt.
Depend is taste.
Depend on the taste. Maybe a quarter. Little bit of salt, a quarter teaspoon of salt. You know, it's already salt. So
already salt আছে এটা.
And then the remainder of the remainder of the chili. Sorry, the coriander.
Coriander.
Hindi sila. Matcha ka tayo ni. Oh, sorry.
অনেক টেস্ট হয়েছে জিনিসটা। দেখ অনেকদিন ধরে আমরা ফুচকা খাই না, আজকে খাবো আমাদের কুকিং ক্লাসে।
পানিপুরি ফুচকা না,
পানিপুরি
ইন্ডিয়ান ভার্সন।
বাংলাদেশে খাইতাম রে বই।
ওকে,
মাঝে মাঝে আমি বাসায়ও বানাই।
আমি কোনোদিন বানাইছি না, রোজাত ফয়লা বানাইছি।
আর রোজার সময় আবার ভালো লাগে মশা।
So
একটু মিক্স করে দাও।
and then we stir all together. Stop that. Aduh, pura পানিপুরি mix এটা পারমু। এটা মিক্স করি। তুমি এটা ট্রাই করো। তোমার হাতে দাও। তোমার হাতে একটু করো। একটু জাল নাই।
জাল, কিন্তু আরেকটু পানি করে দাও।
We'll add a little bit more
ঠিক
of
আছে।
the tamarind sauce. Haldi. Haldi?
না না, এখন ঠিক আছে।
তুমি ট্রাই করে দেখো।
দাও আমার কাছে তো। ঠিক আছে মনে হয়।
Okay. কেউ কেউ আরো thick বানায়। আমি বেশি thick বানাই না।
না, বেশি ঠিক বানাইলে কি বেশি ঠিক বানাইলে আবার ভালো লাগে না, বেশি হয়ে যায়।
একটার মাঝে আমি গরু আমি আরো পানি দিই একটার মাঝে। ঠিক
না
আছে।
না, এটা আমার কাছে ঠিক আছে।
Okay. So now it's complete. So the last process is breaking the actual panipuri, the shells.
Yeah.
Nothing more.
Start.
So we start breaking the shells,
Yeah.
but we leave the broken bits inside. We just farfa done that.
তুমি এইভাবে বানাতে পারো।
Not too much. It's fine. Not too much. And we leave the inside. You can leave it inside. ঠিক আছে, এগুলো খাওয়া যায় বেশিরভাগ। So we break the shells. Of the mixture goes into the balls. So one spoon each.
1 spoon each.
For each bowl.
Ano ba hilangan kita?
1 spoon honey. Nabali siya. Oh, they've got a phone.
আমি ফ্রেশ সব কিছুই পারফেক্ট